Oh, what a beautiful sight. The people shine.